Yo guys, what's going on? Monday to 6 here, back at the 2004 Ford Sport Trac. And today we're going to be doing a review on it. We're going to go ahead and see some of the accessories we put on here and a lot of the parts that have made this Sport Trac what it is today. Alright guys, hope you enjoy. As far as the wheels and tires, we are running 15-inch by 10-inch Pro Comp aluminum billet hole wheels. And for the tires, we're running 32 by 11.5 R15 VF Goodrich all-terrain TA tires. As you can tell, it's not stock height. Went ahead and did the torsion twist up front, and we have the 2-inch shackles on the rear. Now for some of the exterior lighting here, we do have LED reverse lights in the tail lights. We do have the auxiliary bumper lights, the LED tag lights. Let's go around. You see the LEDs here. We'll make our way to the front. We are running LED headlights and aftermarket LED fog lights are super bright. Not to mention, we have our daytime running lights here in the grill. Go ahead and turn those on in case you've never seen them before. Just show you exactly what we're working with. Here is the daytime running lights inside the grill. Look really good at nighttime. Just adds that modern touch to the Sport Trac. LED fog lights. These are really great upgrade. Do a lot of off-roading. These are a must. Gonna be way brighter than your factory fog lights with tons of LEDs in them. So we got all LEDs up front. Okay, before we make our way to the inside of the Sport Trac, let's go ahead here to the bed. Have a couple accessories in here, just gonna show you. If you haven't been following, hopefully this is new for you. Let's go ahead and just get this tailgate open. All right, first of all, when you open the tailgate, we do have the tailgate assist. Helps drop that tailgate so it's not being slammed. Everything you do see here, I have made videos for, install videos. Just go ahead and look on my channel. Find a bunch of videos of all the stuff you're seeing here. Right, let's go ahead and look at some of these bed lights I installed. Have one on each side. At night it's super bright. Nice install. We went ahead and we tapped in to this bed outlet here. We uninstalled it, tapped the power from there, and installed a little rocker switch for these bed lights. We got the swing case here. You can go ahead and store everything you need in here. Got some anchors, tow straps, LEDs, flashlights. Have a jumper box in here. Just everything you're gonna need if you do a little wheeling, off-roading. Just a nice little box. Keeps everything out of the way. Have an install video for that as well. And have a full-size spare in the back of the Sport Trac here. This pretty much covers everything here in the tailgate. Right, up top we have a Serco Safari aluminum roof rack with a flag holder on the back. Attached to that roof rack is an ARB awning. Let's go ahead and get that deployed so you can see what it looks like. Only takes a couple minutes to get that ARB canopy deployed. If you want instant shade, instant covering from the elements, you know, you can take this go fishing, go camping, just anything to keep you out of the elements. Just a real nice upgrade. Really enjoy it. All right, let's go ahead and get this ARB awning retracted and back in its case. Got the ARB awning all zipped up. Let's move on to the next accessory. Now I have replaced all the body mount bushings with the red polyurethane ones. Nice upgrade if your stock body mount bushings are dry rotted, deteriorated, or just completely missing. Have replaced all the sway bar bushings in here with polyurethane ones. You can see the red right there, still holding up good. I have replaced the front and rear shocks with the Pro Comp ES 9000s. A real good upgrade over stock. Great for off-roading. And also replaced the rear differential cover with this Perfect Launch aluminum diff cover. Also changed all the fluids in there as well. We do have the side exhaust here on the Sport Trac with the newly installed MagnaFlow muffler with this dual tip side exhaust. Let's go ahead and start it up and hear it. Let's go in here and pop the hood, see what we got going under there. Alright, mostly stock. Have a colder intake on here. Nothing too fancy. Replace the plastic thermostat with an aluminum one. Great upgrade, don't have to worry about that cracking or leaking anymore. I have replaced the timing chain tensioners, the front and the rear. But that's about it. Underneath the hood of the Sport Trac, everything else is completely stock. Alright, let's move on to the interior. As far as the windows, I did buy some pre-cut window tint. Installed this all myself. Everything comes to you pre-cut. Just go buy yourself a window tint installation kit. Comes with a squeegee and some spray to adhere the window tint. But all the windows have tint on them. Whole kit comes with front, rear, sliding window, back door, everything. Super easy upgrade. You know, you don't have to spend $200 or $300 at a professional shop, you know, getting this done. Just do it at home yourself. Super easy. Do have some paracord here. Wrap the handles. Wrap these, you know, helper handles, those shit handles. Have the shifter wrapped in it. Everything over here, just little touches of paracord. That was super easy. Also have the video for that as well. I do have my 10-inch subwoofer here in the rear. It is my 10-inch kicker. I love it. One of my favorite upgrades. Love listening to music while driving the Sport Trac. This just adds to the music. Easy to install. You know, doesn't take up much room. A lot of people have the question, you know, can you fold the seat forward? You can fold it a little bit, but it won't fold completely flat. That's okay with me. I really don't store anything back here or transport anything, but you can still fold that little seat over if you need to. Just little touches here and there. Also have the LED lights here. I've upgraded the dome lights to all LEDs. Seem to be still working good. Here is my full-size Explorer center console swap. Still holding up, still looks really great. I love it. Love the bigger cup holders, places to put your cell phone, a bunch of stuff. Had to mold a piece of ABS plastic. You know, there's a little gap there. Other than that, I think it looks really good, looks really professional. Have the doubled-in Boss audio radio. Love the Bluetooth on it. Have the cell phone holder charger right here, so I can go hands-free. Just set it there. Bluetooth connect to the radio. Listen to music. Gonna go ahead and do a little bit more stuff. I need to paint the bezel around the radio. It's a little scratched up. Common problem with all your Rangers, Sport Tracs, Explorers. Got a fire missiles there, kind of cool. Here's a lot of the stuff, just giving you an overall pan of the vehicle. A lot of upgrades happened in here. Here is my Cryptek Typhon headliner. The one in here was pretty messed up. Some of the water leaked in from the third brake light. Went ahead and fixed that. Replaced the headliner. Pretty awesome pattern. I have these tactical visor little pockets here. I know tactical visor sounds funny, but you can go ahead and put a lot of stuff in here. As you can see on the passenger side, you know, you got Sharpies, flashlights, anything you're gonna need. You know, any of your knives, everything could just go up here easy. You know, also bought some of these cool stick-on Velcro little patches. Just adds a little touch, little personal touch to your sport track. I really enjoy those. Have some Ford Racing carbon fiber shoulder pads here. Sometimes the seat belt can, you know, dig into your neck. I really enjoy this. You know, adds a little bit of color, a little bit of touch to the interior of the sport track. Also have them for the rear passengers. Appreciate everybody watching the 2004 Ford Explorer Sport Track review. A lot of upgrades have happened since I got this. You know, it wasn't its stock form to what it is now. You know, click like, subscribe, comment. You know, just a lot more videos to come. Have a lot of plans for. And as always, appreciate everybody. Monday 86 out.